just a supernatural light.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Christmas is going to be different this year because it's nearly back to normal. Amazing Accrington are going to do a fantastic light switch on the 25th of November. Come down on the 25th, enjoy what's going to be presented to you, and it's all about the community coming back together after 18 months of difficulty.
The leader has spoken about Christmas and it's a time to come together, and I know we've not been able to experience that in the past year. So do get yourself down for the big light switch on the 25th of November. Bring your children and let's make it an event to remember for Accrington.